Cryptocurrency has been one of the biggest technological innovations in the last few decades. From pioneers like Bitcoin to the various altcoins that have emerged recently, cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the way we think about money and the financial system. One of the latest cryptocurrency projects that has attracted attention is the PiNetwork. PiNetwork is a cryptocurrency project that aims to create an easy-to-use and accessible cryptocurrency network for everyone. Built on blockchain technology, PiNetwork offers innovative solutions to the problems faced by today's cryptocurrencies, such as scalability, transaction speed, and high-power usage. One of the unique aspects of the PiNetwork is its mining method, which is different from other cryptocurrency projects. In general, cryptocurrency mining involves the use of special hardware that consumes a lot of power and requires significant investment. However, PiNetwork designed a more user-friendly mining system by leveraging the power of the user's network. The mining process on the PiNetwork does not involve expensive hardware or high power consumption. Instead, users can simply install the PiNetwork app on their mobile device and start mining with the push of a button. Every time a user mines, they contribute to network security and get Pi in return. Mining is done automatically in the background so users can carry on with their daily activities without interruption. One interesting thing about the PiNetwork is the uniqueness in its distributed mining system. The PiNetwork uses a proof-of-stake mechanism that allows users to participate in mining by using their presence as collateral, not at the expense of computing power or energy. This means that anyone can join the network and start mining without having any special hardware. In addition, PiNetwork has a vision to be a cryptocurrency that is easy to use in everyday life. They want to ensure that Pi is acceptable as a means of payment across businesses and online platforms. To achieve this goal, the PiNetwork development team has worked hard to build partnerships with companies and roll out features that facilitate the use of Pi as a digital currency. Currently, the PiNetwork itself is still in the closed mainnet stage. The PiNetwork community around the world is actively building a strong and diverse ecosystem to support the growth of this project. This community is made up of enthusiastic and dedicated PiNetwork pioneers who have been with the project since its inception. They work together to develop various initiatives covering marketplaces, apps, services, and more. One of the main aspects in building the PiNetwork ecosystem is marketplace development. The PiNetwork community is actively creating an online trading platform where users can buy and sell goods and services using the Pi digital currency. The marketplace aims to provide community members with an opportunity to use Pi as legal tender and increase overall adoption of the PiNetwork. In addition, the PiNetwork community also focuses on developing applications based on the PiNetwork. This includes financial applications, games, utilities, and more. Community members with expertise in software development work together to create diverse and useful applications for PiNetwork users. The goal is to create a vibrant, dynamic, and profitable ecosystem for all members of the community. Apart from marketplaces and applications, the PiNetwork community is also involved in developing services that support the use of PiCoin in everyday life. This includes integration with payment services, merchants, and other service providers. With this support, PiNetwork users can use PiCoin to make purchases at physical stores, restaurants, or even to pay bills and services online. The entire PiNetwork community works collaboratively through forums, social media groups, and other communication platforms. They exchange ideas, share knowledge, and provide support to one another in building a strong PiNetwork ecosystem. Community members also organize events, meetups, and marketing campaigns to raise awareness about the PiNetwork and encourage further participation. Within the closed mainnet, the efforts of the worldwide PiNetwork community are critical to strengthening the PiNetwork ecosystem and preparing it for broad public rollout. With their cooperation and creativity, they drive the adoption of PiCoin as a digital currency that is reliable and useful in everyday life. The price of PiCoin and open mainnet is increasingly being discussed by the PiNetwork community, on various social media platforms. But the unit recently, via one of the PiNetwork community accounts on Twitter, very emphatically stated that Gcv 1Pi equals $314,159 is a mainnet requirement. Predictions and voices are everyone's rights. The question is whether the Pi coin, when open mainnet, will reach the Gcv price is not a possibility, and nothing is impossible. However, the question from all the minds of the pioneers is when an open mainnet will occur. While this article is being written, there is no official information on when an open mainnet will occur on the PiNetwork. This is the core team who knows better. We can only pray and be patient from one of them. A cryptocurrency project that is very different from cryptocurrency projects in general, the PiNetwork, is a digital currency that is used by everyone around the world. Don't give up, believe and pray for work for people who are patient and keep wanting to learn. Warm greetings from our Pi News world to all pioneers around the world.